So welcome back to another Rubik's Cube solving video. So today we are doing a tutorial on how to solve a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube, the classic one. So we will do it layer by layer. So first of all, this is the first layer that we'll do because I like it. Then we'll do this layer and it will be the last layer. So these are the edge pieces, these are the center pieces, and these are the corner pieces. That is for the basic knowledge of the video because we will use these phrases very common. Sorry, very I forgot. Don't worry. So first of all, we'll solve for the edges for the first layer. So by making a cross, so like this edge, so we will need to align it to the red center first. So we will just take it up for convenience, and then we will move it to either one of the right side or left side. I personally like the left side a bit more than the right side, and then we will align these two. So that's very simple. We will now just do it like that, and now this is complete, and now we need to align this part. So that's also very simple. So you need to just get it down to white, and that's done. Now we can solve for the blue and white edge. So first of all, take it upwards for convenience and move it either one of these sides. So now I'll do for the left, now I'll do for the right side. So like here, then we will take it down and align these two, and now we will align this piece to this white center. So that goes there. But now you might say, where is the red edge? Well, the red edge has gone here because we're doing it to the right side. So we'll take it back again. That's that easy. And now we'll do this part. So the green and white. So take it upwards for convenience. Then we'll align these two. So this is the green center and this is the green white edge piece. So we'll align these, and then we'll take it down like this, and now it's up here, the red edge piece, the red white edge piece is up there. And so what we'll need to get it down is also very easy. We'll just rotate it 180 degrees like that, and now it's here. Now for this part, it's kind of tricky but not tricky actually. So if you have learned the first few steps, then you will try to do this thing, like get it down like here, but it will not match it. But what our goal is to align these, so the orange to orange. So we'll align this way, and now it's easy again. So it's completely up here, so we'll rotate it down 180 degrees. So that's complete. Now for the corner parts, so these parts, we'll take it to where it needs to be. So this part needs to be right in between these, so where this is right now. So we'll follow the algorithm we learned on the 2 by 2 Rubik's Cube. So R, U, R prime, U prime, and then repeat until it's done. R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime. That's complete. Then we'll do the same for the other pieces. So this is in the area where we'll do the algorithm. So write that, and then we'll do the algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime is done, and this is in the same place as it need to be. So we'll do the algorithm again. That's complete, and now we will do this too, and so we'll take it like that and done. Now that's complete, we will go on to the second layer. So we will just solve this edge. So first of all, if you have an edge that's flipped like this, we will need to get it out. So the getting out process and the getting in process is the same. So first we need to do the RU prime method, RU prime U prime, and then we do it another way. So we will just F prime, then U prime, and then get it down, so F. So now that this piece is out, we will now learn a rule on how to actually get it in. So we will need to see whether it will go to the right side or to the left side. So it's not going to the left side because this is completely green and this completely blue, so it's not matching at all. But it will go to the right side, so blue and blue, and this is also matching, so it will go to the right side. So if this goes to the right side, we'll take it to the left side like this, and now do the algorithm from the right side. So RU prime U prime, then F prime U prime and F. So that part is complete, it's in there. Now for the red and blue edge piece, so it is not going in the right side now because this is actually the same thing that happened a few seconds ago, because blue and green are absolutely not matching, so it goes in the left side now. So we will take it to the right side again, and now we will do the algorithm from the left side. So L prime U prime L U, then we will do the F U and F prime. So that's in the spot that it needs to be, and this is flipped. So we'll just get it out, RU prime U prime F prime U prime F, and see whether go to the right side. It goes in the right side, so we'll move it to the left side. Then RU prime U prime F prime U prime F. So the whole second layer is complete, and now for the third layer. You might not get what I got right now, so let me just fix it real quick. You might get something like this, so it's kind of just all flipped. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, just take any of the sides, it doesn't matter, then do an F, then just take the right algorithm, so R prime U prime, and then F prime. So now we'll get a little L. This is very important, so we will just get it out of our way now, and now we will focus on these two edges. So we will actually do the same thing and just make the right side clear. And now we will take this again and R prime U prime, and again R prime U prime. Now I got something like this because it was kind of partially solved. You might not get something like this. Wait a second. You might get something like this, so that's not actually in the right place. This is not in the right place, and this is not in the right place. So what we'll need to do is just make a quick look and see if it is rotated on the clockwise or anti-clockwise. So this is rotated in the clockwise. Sorry, this is rotated in the anti-clockwise. So the green needs to be here, the orange needs to be here, and the blue needs to be there. So like it was here. So now it is rotated in the clockwise. I'm sorry again, it's rotating in the anti-clockwise, so we'll need to rotate it to the clockwise. If you need to rotate it to the clockwise, we need to do this algorithm. It's kind of chunky, but it's cool. So we'll hold it like this, and for the clockwise pattern we'll take it from the left side first. So L U prime L U, then from right R U R prime U prime, then reverse it. So U prime L prime U L, then U R U prime R. So it's rotated completely to the clockwise, and now we're ready to solve for the corners. So you want to find something like this that's in the correct spot, and mine is solved. I don't know how, but it's solved. So we will now take it to the right side and do the algorithm. U R U prime L prime, then U R prime U prime L. And now see if the other corners are in the correct spot. So this is in the correct spot, this is in the correct spot but rotated, and this is also. So now what we need to do is just get it down to the bottom like this. Then take either one of these corners to your right side and do the algorithm RU prime U prime until it's done like the first layer. So RU prime U prime RU prime U prime, done. And now rotate the other corner that's not rotated rightly to the corner that you solved. So like here, then do the same algorithm that is solved. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video and learned the tutorial. So bye bye.